Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel jobs on LinkedIn. First, optimize your LinkedIn profile to stand out. Make sure your headline clearly states your Excel expertise, perhaps as an Excel data analyst. In your summary, elaborate on your proficiency with functions like VLOOKUP, pivot tables, and macros. Don't forget to add a dedicated skills section, listing all relevant Excel capabilities. This helps recruiters find you easily. Next, let's refine your job search. Use specific keywords such as Excel Specialist or Financial Analyst Excel to find relevant openings. Leverage LinkedIn's powerful filters to narrow down results by industry, experience level, and location. Setting up job alerts is crucial. This ensures you're notified immediately when new opportunities matching your criteria are posted, giving you a competitive edge. Networking is key to uncovering hidden opportunities. Connect with professionals already working in roles that heavily use Excel, like data analysts or financial modelers. Join relevant LinkedIn groups where you can engage in discussions and learn about industry trends. Furthermore, consider obtaining certifications in advanced Excel or data analysis to validate your skills and boost your credibility. Finally, prepare to ace your interviews. Be ready to articulate how you've used Excel to solve problems or improve processes, providing concrete examples. Practice common Excel-based interview questions and even some case studies to demonstrate your practical application skills. Remember, confidence in your abilities is just as important as your technical knowledge. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.